Baby, that's crazy. I seen some wings on the counter today, right?
You just left them out?
I just left them out.
They were for you.
For real, I'm finna tear them up when I get home.
Baby, no, that's disgusting.
It's just one day.
Baby, that is sick.
That is not sick.
Yes, it is.
It's not. If
You're not eating those. I'm throwing them wings away.
If you have wings out for one day, you can't. You're now in tune to another episode of the
Bangos, and they better stop honking.
So Keisha done.
Why they over here honking?
Keisha done helped the line.
Bitch.
She done left.
Ooh, don't honk.
She done helped the line up because the spicy chicken nuggets ain't moving fast enough.
They not in the bag.
They're not in the bag.
And then they gave me some cold ass fries. You can tell that these fries ain't fresh. Look at it. Look at it. What? You can tell. You can tell.
I don't like eating fast food like that. I already know, man.
Yeah, but I'm so hungry. I couldn't help it.
Yeah, but
this don't make no damn sense though. Like, don't be fucking I don't understand. Like, people that work at fast food, like.
the sandwich good?
Yeah, my sandwich good.
They got a new fish sandwich, y'all. Wendy's got a new fish sandwich. I just saw it, so I was just like, cool. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, look at this.
So, I'm trying this thing out. You know what I'm saying? But they customer service skills is like real, like, I don't know why they acting like they can't get around. It's like so much room.
It is, and they being dumb. They want to honk and do all that dumb ass shit.
Don't curse too much. She crazy, y'all. She crazy, man.
I want my spicy nuggets.
But man, this sandwich is actually good. This fish sandwich? Oh yeah. That was doing something hot, you got.
I think every fast food restaurant should have a fish sandwich. Even Chick-fil-A.
If Chick-fil-A had a fish sandwich, bro,
They'll probably have a real catfish sandwich.
that junk could be good, bro. You know, we need to go holler at them folks tomorrow.
Nah, they said they did have fish sandwich. I never had it though. Damn, we could have went to the dwarf house. While we out here.
I told you. I told him this young car, I said, baby, we can go wherever you want.
And
In the world. I said, wherever she want to, not in the world, but wherever she want to go right now, we can eat that. And she said, I want to eat now. I want to go Wendy'S.
Because I'm hungry.
Her budget was unlimited.
Okay, we can go somewhere else after this. No, I'm just kidding.
How about that? You want to be fat so bad.
Sometimes you ever just eat and you just be like, damn, I love eating. Like, damn, I love eating. Like, damn, food make me happy. That's why I don't play when my food ain't right. Somebody served me some cold ass shit, or some cold stuff. Or something. I can't stand it. Incomplete meal. I don't like eating stuff. Like, I don't like eating wings without fries. Baby, when I left the wings yesterday, you killed them, didn't you?
Baby, that's crazy. I seen some wings on the counter today, right?
You just left them out?
I just left them out.
They were for you.
For real, I'm finna tear them up when I get home.
Baby, no, that's disgusting.
It's just one day.
Baby, that is sick.
That is not sick.
Yes, it is.
It's not. If
You're not eating those. I'm throwing them wings away.
If you have wings out for one day, you can't eat them.
You just left them out, no refrigeration, nothing. Yes, that's unhealthy as hell.
One day, you can't eat them.
Okay, go ahead. I'm throwing the wings away.
No, you ain't.
You ain't eating them.
If I have some wings out one day, I'm going back and I'm attacked.
I can't wait till they give me the new fries, because honey, these is nasty.
They look nasty. They look flat. A little something here, though.
Baby, you're not eating the wings. I'm not letting you.
I'm eating wings when we get home. There you go with the food.
Come on, little crazy boy.
Crazy boy. What's up?
Oh, but I knew I went tripping. Hey, what's up?
Nah, you tripping. No, I'm just kidding.
I'm a young nigga though. What's up?
He said I'm a young nigga with
I
him.
know I went tripping. I know I see you. Yeah, what's up? Oh yeah, y'all pipe. Y'all pipe. What y'all finna get to?
We finna go
Y'all finna go.
back to the city.
Finna go back to the city. Go home.
Oh, y'all stay in the city?
Yep.
Give me them fries.
Y'all pipe though.
I'm trying to hold on to my stuff.
That what's up?
You keep working hard, young man.
What's y'all do?
Keep working hard, my boy. Alright.
I'm trying to get like y'all. Y'all playing. I'm trying to figure out how to get rich. For sure.
You gotta hustle. You gotta keep it
Just keep
going.
going hard.
I know. Get with. For sure. I'm a hustler.
Exactly.
Hey, get with. Hold it. Down. Right. You got to strike. The real ones though.
The real one.
The real ones. I'm going to put you down.
Okay.
You got the real ones.
Okay.
Might need 4 young nigga game one time.
Alright.
Okay.
Well, you know I run into you. I be out here all the time.
I bet.
All right,
Appreciate it.
man.
Y'all have good.
Alright.
See ya.
You too.
I
Aw.
said the real one.
What you was talking about, man?
Some gas. Some gas.
He said the real ones.
The real one. The real
Yeah, oh,
gas.
y'all pipe.
Zaza. Where you go? The expressway this way?
Baby, you asking the wrong person.
I'm saying, like, I know you had said Wendy's was behind me, so.
You see his spawn divots make a motherfucking.
Baby.
I'm sorry.
You're right here, it's crazy. I'm reckless.
That's what food do to you. It make you curse. Have an outburst.
So food make you curse. I gotta make a little U-turn.
Oh my gosh. You sure you going the right way? No, the McDonald's up there.
Huh?
I see a McDonald's up there.
No, it ain't.
No, I'm so serious. I'm serious. Okay.
When we got the exit, I had made a right. I did make a right. I made a right because
Is it McDonald's up here too?
don't y'all hate when y'all know where you at, but you don't know it yet?
Nah, baby, it's the other way. You was going the right way. Yeah, you were going the right way.
You sure?
Cause it was on the right. You go there right here. So turn around.
You right. Don't you hate when you know where you're going, but you don't know where you're going?
What time? I be over here all the time. Boy, no, you don't.
You gotta just keep the conversation going. You don't want nobody to be like, oh man, he's so.
They some weirdos.
He's trying to be a bougie, like, I don't want nobody to think he's bougie. Some folks know you real. I might not have your number, we might not have your number, but you know, I'ma see you. You know what I'm saying? Shorties.
Listen, shorty, like a melody in my head.
What's that game? What's that game people play like when they in the car?
What?
It's a game we were playing the other day.
Where they call the car?
No, it was something, a game. It was a game you was playing with me. And it was like, you gotta do something, or you gotta finish the sentence, or something you were doing. It was something, we was in the car one day. We was at Cheetah, and you was playing the game with me in the car.
Concentration?
Yeah. That was it right there.
You sure?
That was the expressway. For sure.
Ain't the expressway up there too though?
I mean, that 85 north right now. You're right, it is one up there too.
Yeah.
But what's the game? Concentration. So concentration, he was like something, you was doing something, and I had to say something. I had to say the word.
You had name food.
Oh, okay. So let's do that real quick. That make the ride go quicker to get home. Let's see who win. Whoever win, they win $100.
What, please?
For real.
Bet on it.
Yeah. Check on it. The highway was that way.
Alright.
That was the highway. We gotta turn around.
Oh my gosh, we just lost.
Oh, we gotta turn around again. But guess who got snacks? Yes, sir.
Baby, let me know. You ain't eating them snacks.
I'm eating them snacks. Okay, so how we starting the game? Concentration. How we starting
Concentration is the game. Keep the rhythm or you'll be out the game. Concentration. No hesitation. Starting with names of food. Pizza.
Hamburgers.
Wings.
Fries.
Hot dog.
Hennessy.
Ah! 100, nigga. I mean, boy.
Alright, run it back.
You owe me my 100. I want my
Run
100
it
in my
back. Run it
hand.
back.
I want my 100 in my
Alright,
hand.
run it back. Run it back.
You bet for another 100?
Yeah.
Oh, shake on it.
Second. I got it. You know I got it on me. Yeah, do it. Yeah, do it.
Starting with names of restaurants.
Okay.
Waffle House.
It's my babies.
Red Lobster.
McDonald's.
Ruby Tuesdays.
Last.
Oh,
I
wait,
can't think of them words so fast. All right, run it back. I want that one.
Well, you gonna be 300
I
in
give
the
you a
hole.
little 300. I give you a little 300.
I want my money.
Man, girl,
I want my money.
shut up. Okay, shut up.
I done spilled some stuff all over me. I'm just messy.
All right. Concentration. Let me start. Names of basketball players.
That's not fair. Not going.
Why?
No. Because I'm going to get stuck up on that.
Okay. Concentration.
Come on.
Names of-
Let's try to do basketball player.
Okay.
You still owe me 200.
All right. There you
Go.
go. Vince Carter.
Chris Bosh.
Gary Payton.
LeBron James.
Michael Jordan.
Kobe Bryant.
Larry Hales.
Russell Westbrook. Oh! Over with.
Bro, I think my brain is really just.
Over with.
I ain't playing no more, bro.
300.
I ain't playing no more. That just made me mad. Because I know a lot of basketball players, like, that just made me mad. How you feel like they just shut down the NBA?
Getting real out here in the field.
They just shut down the NBA. That's crazy. Like, what? That's why you got to keep y'all, everybody, make sure y'all got y'all some hand sanitizer. Y'all got y'all masks.
Yeah, I just got off the plane. Let me tell y'all. So this boy, I'm over here sitting waiting for the plane or the board. So this boy look at me. I had a mask on. Mind you, it's a lot of people in the airport that got masks on. So I got my mask on, and he looked at me. He started laughing. I'm like, you know me. I'm automatically like, the fuck? I mean, boy, the freak. So, he done. It was just the way that he had laughed. I already knew that he was finna be on funny, period. He was finna be on funny. So, I'm just watching him, right? He comes sit right in front of me. He pull out his phone and tried to record me. When I tell y'all I got up, I said, bro, stop recording me. I said, what's wrong with you? I said, you think that don't nobody peep that you recording me? I said, don't record me, bro. I said, you a weirdo. I said, stop being a weirdo. He literally, like, he looked like he just, like, I really cussed him out. I'm not cussing. I'm trying to cuss, but I really cussed him out, and I was like, stop being a weirdo, bro. I was like, that's fan behavior. I was like, what you recording me for? I said, you pathetic, bro. Like, I went in on him. And I got up and I walked off. And I'm just like, what's wrong with you? Like, why would you think that that was okay to record me? Like, you know how stupid you gotta probably feel to be recording somebody and they catch you? When I tell you, he looked so stupid.
I mean, you a celebrity, then he, like, you know what I'm saying?
No. But he was trying to be on some funny stuff. Like, I could tell, like, he was laughing because I had a mask on. But I'm like, why are you laughing? Because somebody is, like, being, you know what I'm saying, aware of the situation that's going on in the world right now.
Yeah, being cautious as hell.
Right. And there's nothing funny about that. If somebody has a mask on, and I see them have a mask on their face, guess what I think automatically? Oh, they're being cautious. Oh, they're being aware.
Definitely. I mean, even when we was at the airport, they was giving us hand sanitizer and they being cautious too. As soon as we got off the plane, they're
Because
like,
the airport is where a lot of that stuff starts spreading.
Yeah. Like,
So when he did that, I embarrassed him. I almost slapped the phone out of his hand, but I'm like, you know what? Let me not.
Yeah, don't do all that, man.
But see, this is the thing though. People, if I would have slapped the phone out of his hand, he probably would have tried to play victim.
Yeah, he would have pressed charges.
But at the end of the day, people need to understand that people have the right to their privacy, and at the end of the day, you can't be invading people's space, especially if they don't want to be recorded.
Definitely.
So therefore, at the end of the day, you have to understand this. It's a consequence. Whether it's a good consequence or it's a bad consequence. It's a consequence for everything that you do.
Yeah.
It's a consequence.
Yeah.
So you want to sit there and record somebody thinking that it's funny. If I would have slapped that phone out your hand, you would have been pissed off.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, just because somebody may think that, oh, she's famous or whatever the case may be, it don't mean that you just take it upon yourself to sit there and record somebody. I don't care. Because at that point in time, I was ready to go home.
Yeah, so you probably was tight, you know, you was ready to go home.
I was so ready to go home. And honestly, being in airports, it'd be so stuffy, just ugh.
I hate being in the airport. Now the airplane, I ain't tripping. But going through TSA, taking my shoes off, and my, you know what I'm saying, you know, they were touching on my legs and all that stuff. I don't like that. But being on the plane, that's cool. I'm gonna fall asleep as soon as I fall asleep before the plane didn't take off.
Yeah.
I'm knocked out.
But
Good cookies. I love me some Delta cookies.
okay. Maybe that's all you think about a snack.
Delta got some good cookies. You know it too.
No, the cookies do be good.
Good look.
Every time they say take one, I take two. Sorry.
Delta got some good cookies. Hey, you
Or I go ask another flight attendant that didn't give me one. I'll be like, can I have another cookie? I'll be like, can I have a cookie? Give me a little cookie.
Yeah, you nuts so.
Slap me a little cookie.
You know what food be nasty?
What?
The hot trays in first class. Ooh, ooh.
I ain't never had no nasty food in first class.
Man, them dumplings, that dumpling stuff is nasty.
Baby, you tore it up.
I was hungry.
You was having the time of your life, y'all. When I tell you I woke up and that man was licking his fingers.
Baby, you lying.
All right, it was him.
That girl lying. You lying so good, you almost had me believe.
You was literally enjoying that though, baby. Don't even
Baby, I was
play.
enjoying I was looking at Will Smith, you know.
I was talking about this man up. He watching TV.
It was a good, you know what I'm saying?
I had a good salad from what you call it? From first class.
Man, this food nasty, man.
I always have good food in first class. I don't know, I always choose good stuff.
That food is
But I'm not
nasty.
eating no chicken dumplings from first class. I know that. I
Yeah,
just know better.
It ain't in. Okay.
I ain't never even ate chicken dumplings before. I never had that.
It ain't in. It's definitely not in.
Child, please.
But I like this.
And one time they had this dessert. Boy,
It was in?
they had these red velvet cake balls. When I tell you, oh my God. Now you wouldn't like that.
Do they don't even, because like other airlines I ever enrolled on, I don't think they even have. No, American Airlines do something, right?
No, I ain't never had none in there for a while. So I'll probably Delta though for sure.
Yeah, I'm saying, but I'm trying to think even trying to get Delta. You know, sometimes we had American Airlines flights when we was on that tour. Baby,
What?
you get her.
I'm not ghetto, baby. This stuff can't stay in the car though. That's ghetto.
That girl's crazy. But when we was on that tour, we used to be catching American Airlines sometimes.
That was my karma for doing it.
What?
I threw up my straw. It's all good. Sorry, God.
They don't got snacks. Spirit, you know you ain't getting no snacks.
No, American Airlines do got snacks, but I don't know if they got meals.
They got snacks though. They got like gummy bears.
They first class ain't hitting on nothing.
American Airlines? Yeah, I don't know. I know Delta just good, cool vibe. You know what I'm saying? But the process of the airport is just trash. Like TSA and
they need to. First of all, the thing is that the airport's gained so much money. Why have y'all not replaced them little buckets yet that you got to put your stuff in?
I mean, they just like forget it's just like a school lunch trays. Like,
no, I'm telling you, when we have kids, I don't even want my kids having school lunch. That's just the type of mama I'm gonna be the type of mama to make them lunch or whatever, or I'm gonna give them money. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just can't, cause them eating that school lunch do not be healthy. It be slimy, it be sloppy, it be steroid ingested. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. That ain't right. Y'all they be feeding them kids that trash, and then you expect for somebody to pass their test? Oh my God.
Them hot wings in high school used to be good.
I ain't gonna lie to you, they used to be smacking. Boy, please. When I went to Shamrock Middle, I would never forget them nachos. Nacho day.
Nachos in school.
Nacho day, but let me tell you something.
The pizza was good too.
Y'all used to go to Shamrock Middle in Decatur. And when I tell y'all, them nachos on Nacho Day, boy, I will never forget.
It was good.
Boy, what I used to get.
They had jalapenos on it.
But they used to have everything. They used to have the Mexican rice, and they had the real meat, not no little bull. You know what I'm saying? Because it was black women that was in their kitchen now. They had the real meat. When they had Thanksgiving, when Thanksgiving would come about, oh, baby, they had that dressing, that turkey, that cranberry sauce. They had everything. Green bean. They was not playing with us. I could be able to think straight, but Nacho Day, let me tell you something. We used to tear it up. It used to be a thing. Like, we used to tear it up. I used to go and get a double plate.
How you used to eat your pizza?
Watch 12, baby.
See? Matter of fact, we gotta go quiet. Ooh.
Oh, you did that right in front of them. You might as well just let the pat and let it go ahead and what you call it?
Y'all see we be taking these folk on an adventure.
But why people always want to wait till the last minute to do something in front of the 12? Like, it's already too late now. We going to jail.
Hey, I'ma try.
We going to jail.
I always try, man. Every time I go to jail too, I just be like, dang, I tried to get away.
God forbid, I ain't never been to jail, and God forbid.
Like when they called it at the airport, I said, just throw it in the trash. Remember I said that? I said, come on, y'all can just throw it in the trash.
Baby, why you in 2 lanes?
Baby!
God damn.
Baby, I speed racer!
No, you not with me in the car. This boy don't know how to stay in 1 lane. He be in 2 lanes at one time. He think that he just on the street. He be driving slow. Don't be paying attention. Pregnant. She pregnant. Everybody pregnant. Baby, look at you.
Baby, I'm getting over. Why would I not get over? We finna get out.
Well, hurry up.
Home.
Hurry
We almost home.
Hurry up.
Get off me.
Okay, but no, let's talk about that school lunch.
What you eat your pizza with?
Oh, we used to do the pizza with the ranch on the top.
I'm telling you, or the buttermilk.
Yeah, that buttermilk ranch.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, they used to hit. Stop playing with me.
With the buttermilk, man.
That's the only thing, like, for real, like, that was like one of the only things that really used to be good. Like the nachos, the wings, and the pizza. But when they got the trying to make spaghetti, what is you talking about?
I don't think it was good. I don't remember it though.
No, school spaghetti was never good.
Man,
Don't ever eat nothing like that. If you out there, if you still in school, elementary, middle, high school, don't eat the spaghetti. Do not eat that.
That little cornbread was straight though.
Oh yeah, at Shamrock we used to have the sweet cornbread. I'm telling you, Shamrock was it.
Yeah, some good. That food wasn't that bad though. Middle school food not that good. Bad. Elementary school was good too.
You know how like
elementary pizza was square.
Did y'all used to? Oh yeah, in high school pizza was a real pizza though.
Pizza was better when it was square.
But let me tell you something.
The breakfast pizza.
No, I ain't eat that because they used to have sausage on it. But let me tell you something. Did everybody that you used to have them kids, they used to like run and race to the line to lunch?
Yeah, I want them. I'm running.
No. They was like, they would let them out, like, you know what I'm saying? I would race them. I used to race them. Like, as soon as they got them come down the hallway thinking that they finna get in front of me, I would race them and then I block them. I'd be like, y'all can't cut. Don't come down here running down the hallway.
I used to be ready to eat. I used to be ready to eat at school by the time I got to the school. I used to be the one here.
I'm not gonna lie though. I'm not gonna lie. When I was in high school, y'all went to Shallow High School. Them chicken biscuits in the morning. We used to have Chick-fil-A biscuits. Like they used to have Chick-fil-A, like I don't know, I think it was like a sponsor or something like that. I don't know, but they used to have a stand.
But they were like $2, right?
Yeah, $2. Yeah. They would have the regular lunch. The regular breakfast or whatever from the school. They would have chicken biscuits, and then they would have Chick-fil-A biscuits. When I tell y'all, boy, stop playing with me.
Yeah, I used to eat me a little Chick-fil-A biscuits. I always. That was nobody can't say.
I used to lose my mind.
I was a hustling dude. Like no matter what, like high school, I always had. I had more than one Chick-fil-A sandwich for sure, and I had a juice. I never drunk no carton juice. Never from middle school. I never had carton juice. I always.
Yeah, I don't want my kids drinking that. I want my kids drinking.
I had from
cranberry.
My stuff was coming out the vending machine.
Yeah. I used to tear them Doritos up that was in the purple bag.
I still tear them out.
I remember I tore them up so bad that I actually got sick off of them and I was throwing up off of them. I remember I threw up. That's all I could taste. I remember the taste. That's all I could taste. You know, when you throw up, it scar you. Whatever you ate and whatever you taste, it scar you.
Yeah, I had some garlic. When Pizza Hut did the stuffed crust with the garlic on it. I had that and I threw it up and I can't ever eat it again.
Yeah.
But I eat me a stuffed crust though without no garlic.
When I was constipated. Oh.
What?
Took it too far.
What?
Oh, my bad.
All right.
Doodoo head ass girl.
She was constipated.
That word doodoo is so childish.
It's not a childish word.
Doodoo head ass girl. Dookie booty head ass. Dookie mouth.
You retarded. Oh God. That's a retard.
Shitty booty head.
Baby, you want to catch so bad.
Woo! Shitty booty.
God. They got lost her mind, bro. She's crazy. We finna get back on the espresso. We gotta hit the light. But alright, y'all, we gonna tune in with y'all in another episode of The Van Goes. So like, share, and subscribe for another video if you want the light skin.
Hey, see y'all later.
Hey.